Hi all. This video is about reduction of 20% of the syllabus of science of our grade 10 student who belong from Karnataka of 2021 to 2022 batch. So this is the website from where you can download the updated syllabus. I have already explained everything how to download this updated copy in my previous video naming that Karnataka reduced syllabus of mathematics. So you can watch that video if you want to download the updated copy. This is the link for that. From the this is the website of DSERT. So I have already downloaded for all the subjects. Let us just go to the science subject and let me just tell you what are the subjects what are the topics that has been deleted for you. Yes. So this is the updated copy that Government of Karnataka has updated for science. You can observe here all the topics, all the chapter name is written in the first column, and here they have mentioned in the second column if the chapter is there or not, and if it is there, which are the topics are deleted and which are the topics are there. Okay, and in third column they have mentioned the reason why they have deleted the topics. So let us go one by one. I want all of you to open your textbook and keep ready one pencil or pen so that you can mark in your textbook. Let me just go to the first chapter. The first chapter, yes. I'll go to the index page. I want all of you to open your index page of part 1 science textbook. The very important thing is that when you have opened the syllabus copy and when you are comparing the text with the textbook, even you can observe in the textbook that they have not mentioned the chapter one by one. You can observe here 1 2 3, after 3 it is 6 7. So what is this? They have classified based on chemistry, physics and biology. So that is the this is the way they have given the number to the chapters. The chapter number 4 is present in your part 2. Okay, I'll just open it and show you. Yes, so you can observe here chapter number 4 is here. Our chapter number 4 is here, 5 is also here. Then after 5 you have to go for book 1 and check for chapter number 6. Okay, I hope you understood that. Let me go to the syllabus copy and let us mark the chapters that has been deleted. Okay, so the first chapter, that is our chemical reaction and equation, it is retained. Okay, so please write it here, retained. Now let me go back to the syllabus copy. Second chapter ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. It means that everything is there like that only. So let us go to the second chapter. Acid, bases and salts, it is also retained. Please write it in your textbook. Now let us go for the third chapter. Third chapter, ಲೋಹಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅಲೋಹಗಳು. In this chapter, some of the topics which are important are retained and some of the topics have been deleted. Why it is deleted? It is given here, the reason. Because you have already studied those topics in your previous classes. Okay, so 3.4, 3.5, these two topics is completely deleted. So let us go to chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. In this we have been updated that 3.4 and 3.5 is deleted. So let us go to that topic. Yes, so our 3.4 is here. So from here you don't have to study. From here you can observe I am marking. Please mark it in your textbook, deleted. Okay, from 3.4 to 3.5 it is deleted. So everything which comes under this you should not read. Means 3.4, 3.4.1, 3.4.2, no, nothing you have to study till 3.5. So all these are deleted. Till where? Till 3.5. Let us go to this topic. Yes, so 3.5 is also deleted. Write it here. Now, till where you should not study? Till complete 3.5. Till 3.6, if it is there, you should not study. Okay, it is the end of the chapter. So, till the end, you should not study. Till here. So, from where to where? You should not study from 3.4 to 3.5. In the syllabus copy, page number you don't have to observe. It is given the page number mistake here. So, please go to your textbook and find out the page numbers, whichever is there. Okay, so it is for us till page number, it is 55, 49 to 55 page number. Okay, so let us move on to the next chapter. Our syllabus copy, according to the syllabus copy, fourth chapter, carbon ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಗಳು, carbon and its compound. So let us go to chapter number 4. So our chapter number 4 is present in our book 2. So open your book 2 please and mark it. So in chapter number 4, let us see what are all the updates. Yes, in this chapter 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5 is deleted. Okay, so let us move on. Carbon and its compound. 4.3, let me just go to that topic. 4.3, okay, it's 4.2. Yes, so our 4.3 is here. Please mark it. 4.3 deleted. Okay. Deleted. So 4.3 is not there. Mark it from here till where I'll just tell you. 4.31 is also not there. 4.32 is not there. 4.4. This is also not there. Please mark it deleted. Okay. Let me go to the next. 4.5. All these are not there. Okay. So please don't waste your time behind this. 4.5. This is also not there. Please write here deleted. Till where? Till complete 4.5. And I think this is the end of the chapter. Yes, I'm correct. So here, till here, it's not there. Till page number 20. Okay. So just mark it in your textbook. I hope you have marked it. Let me just move on to the next topic. That is our chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 is retained. Okay, let me see. It is in textbook 1 or textbook 2. Okay, it's in textbook 2. So right here, chapter number 5, retained. Now next chapter, chapter number 6 is also retained. Chapter number 6 and also 7, it is retained. So 6 is in book 1. Retained. 7 is also here. So let me mark here retained. Let us go to the syllabus copy. Till 7 we have done. Now chapter number 8. In chapter number 8, 8.1 and 8.2 is deleted. So let us move on to chapter number 8. So chapter number 8 is here. How do organisms reproduce? Let us go to that chapter. Yes. 8.1. So this is deleted. Okay. Just mark it. Deleted. Okay. From here, I'll just mark it here. Till where? Till 8.2. So 8.2 is also here. So let me mark here. Deleted. Now till where? That is very important, because we should not miss the topics which is there and end up with missing some topics. So till 8.3, 8.25, 8.26, yes, till here, till 8.3, it is deleted. So mark it in your textbook till here. Till here, everything is deleted. And this is the page number, I'll just tell you, page number 43. Okay, so mark it. Let us move on to the next chapter. Chapter number 9. It's there. It is written. Chapter number 10 is also written. So let us mark it. 9 and 10 is written. Written. Next one. Next chapter. Let us move on. 11. In chapter number 11, ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಮಾಪನಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Means it's not considered for your evaluation. So let us just mark chapter number 11 as deleted. Okay, let me just go to chapter number 11. Yes, what is the chapter number 11? Human eye and colorful world. So this chapter completely is deleted. Okay, just mark it. You don't have to study anything from this chapter. Okay, not like the previous chapters where you have some of the topics which is been deleted. This complete chapter is deleted in the, okay, so just mark it as a star. Let me move on to the next topic. Yeah, the chapter number 12, 13, 14, 15, everything is there. Let us just mark it written. Chapter number 12, right? Okay, so chapter number 12 is here in part 1. Please open it. You have to be very careful where you are marking, in book 1 or book 2. So 12, 13, then 14. Chapter number 14 is in book 2. Open it. Retained. Then chapter number 15 is in book 1. So let me just scroll it up and write. Let is right here retained. Now chapter number 16. You can observe here chapter number 16. Again they have mentioned here this complete chapter is deleted. Okay, so chapter number 16 is our sustainable management of natural resource. So this complete chapter is deleted. Please mark it with a star, and do not study this chapter for your exam point of view. Thank you for giving your time. Please like the video, subscribe the video and share it with your friends, and yes, please do watch all my videos.